Hey everyone, today I'm giving you my honest review of Merlin AI, the tool everyone has been talking about lately. You know how every week there's new AI tools that promises to change everything, but most of them end up being kind of underwhelming. Well, Merlin is one of those rare ones that actually impress me. It's fast, it's loaded with features, and it might even replace a few other tools I have been using, including ChatGPT. Before we dive in, click the link in the description and have dropped a coupon code in which you can get additional discounts. So what exactly is Merlin AI? Think of it as an all-in-one AI powerhouse. It combines chat, writing tools, image generation, summarizes, productivity boosters, and integration all under one platform. It has got over 70 plus AI tools from writing assistant to plagiarism checker, research helpers, even bots that chat with your PDFs or summarizes YouTube videos for you. And also there's also a browser extension, which is one of my favorite things about it. You don't have to need a separate app. Just click it right from your browser anywhere you are. And if you prefer a mobile, there's also an iOS and an Android app too. Everything syncs seamlessly. In short, it's like having ChatGPT, Jasper, Midjourney, and Notion AI all rolled into one dashboard. Now let's talk about what actually makes Merlin stand out. You can literally use it for almost anything. Drafting emails, summarizing research papers, analyzing data, generating code, creating diagrams, or even chatting with documents. And also the project feature is actually great. This one's a game changer. It lets you group your work like documents, research notes, and charts into themed projects. It's perfect for students, writers, marketers, or researchers who want everything organized and AI assisted. And also, instead of switching tabs all the time, you can just highlight any text, hit the Merlin icon, and boom, it summarizes, rewrites, or explains it instantly. And also, it actually pulls real data from credible sources, not just made up by AI text. So if you're working on academic or professional research, that's a big plus. And also you can connect it to Gmail, Slack, and even your workflow apps to automate repetitive tasks. And unlike most AI tools, Merlin gives you access to multiple models including ChatGPT 4, Cloud, and a few exclusive ones all in the same plan. That alone sets it apart from ChatGPT where you're locked into just one model. Alright, now let's talk about what I genuinely like after using it for a while. So the first thing is that you get a massive variety of tools. It's like having a full AI toolkit instead of just one chatbot. And everything feels like super snappy and modern. Even if you're not tech savvy, you can easily use this. And also the browser integration, it saves time and feels seamless during everyday browsing. And also it's very affordable. There's a code floating around. You can click the link in the description and you can get into the premium plan for just as low as $5 per month. I don't know how long it will work, but that's insane value for what you get. And also you are going to be getting the same quality as ChatGPT, but with more options and tools built in. Now it's not perfect. Here's where it could improve. Some features feel experimental, especially a few in their lab section, and because there's so much inside, it can take time to figure out which tool does what best. And if you're using the web app heavily or switching models, it can lag slightly, nothing deal breaking but noticeably. And also it works best but still feels early stage compared to the browser version. Let's talk about the price real quick. So let's keep it monthly because most people want to go monthly. And there's the free plan, and then you have this pro plan which is $29 per month. You get exclusive models like GPT-5, Cloud Sonnet 4.5. You get advanced image generation, unlimited access to 70 plus AI tools, which is also you get in the free version. And then you have a team plan as well. So for everyone who uses AI regularly, students, freelancers, content creators, Merlin offers a lot of AI tools for what you purchase. So is Merlin AI worth it? Honestly, yes. If you want a single platform that handles all your AI tasks without juggling to multiple subscription, it's flexible, powerful, and priced fairly, especially with that discount. If you just want casual chatting, ChatGPT is fine. But if you want an AI that can research, write, summarize, generate, and automate, Merlin's the better deal right now. Give it a try and again click the link in the description and you will see a coupon code as well for the best available offer and some extra resources. Let me know in the comments, would you switch to Merlin or do you still think ChatGPT is unbeatable? If you found this review helpful, drop a like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.